what is the best provision? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran, He talks about Hajj and the rulings pertaining to Hajj. And then He mentions that وَتَزَوَّدُوا, take your provisions with you. Don't just go on this journey and say that I believe in Allah and I trust in Him, everything's going to be okay. But you got to take your provision, you got to take the means that's there. And Imam al-Razi rahmatullahi alayhi, he mentions that there's two types of journeys that we're on. The first one is that we're in a journey in this world. And as we go through this world and the journey of this world, we take our provisions, food, drink, we get educated, we get a career, and we build our wealth, and the list goes on. And the second type of journey is the journey from this world to the next. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَتَزَوَّدُوا فَإِنَّ خَيْرَ الزَّادِ التَّقْوَى, that the best provision that a person can have is the taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we need that to make sure that we play the game according to the rules that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set, gaining His pleasure along the way. And to simplify taqwa, it is to protect ourselves from the displeasure and the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by doing that which He has legislated and to stay away from that which He has forbidden. And as we go on this journey, and if we neglect that aspect, then the end result is not going to be a good one. And Umar ibn Abdul Aziz, he sent a letter to a person and he said, I advise you with the taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only accepts taqwa. He has mercy upon the people who have taqwa, and He rewards based on taqwa. And the ones who talk about this are a lot, but the ones who actually act upon it are very few. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make you and I from amongst those individuals.